Hi, this is Kirk with Line Dance Salt Lake, Utah. Are you ready to get your line dance on? Let's review the steps in the dance. I'm going to turn around so that you can follow me from home. Weight starts on your left foot. You're going to walk forward, right, left. Then you're going to go out, out, in with the right, hook with the left toe. From here, you're going to rotate all the way around, a full turn. Your legs are going to be crossed because you've done a spiral pivot. Then you're going to do a side rock cross. From here, you're going to sway left, sway right, and then you're going to do a sachet step to the left, side together, side. Now you're going to do the opposite. You're going to sway right, you're going to sway left, side together, side. Third section of 8. I'm going to rock forward on my right foot, on my left foot, replace my weight back on my right. I'm going to rock, replace. I'm going to do a full rotation with this footwork. I'm going to go side together, half step. To finish off that turn, you're going to go step, cross, back. From here, you're going to do a rock, replace your weight on your right foot, and then you're going to slide to your left, leaving that right foot out in front. You're going to slide it in. You're going to do a kick, ball, step. Then you're going to finish it off by walking right, left, right, left. And that's the steps in the dance. Now let's go over the counts in this dance. I'm going to turn around so that you can follow me from home. Okay, weight starts on the left foot. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, walk 5, 6, 7, 8. And that's Heartache on the dance floor. Thanks for watching. You could be a line dance slut too. Like, subscribe, and share. See you on the dance floor.